We recently went to Museum San. It's located in Oak Valley in Wonju, South Korea. The museum was designed by Tadao Ando under the administration of Hansol Cultural Foundation. Hansol is a conglomerate whose main operations are in paper, electronics, chemicals, constructions, and more. Ando is a Japanese architect born in Osaka in 1941. His style is said to create an haiku effect, emphasizing nothingness and empty space to represent the beauty of simplicity. His style is also said to be Zen, focusing on inner feeling rather than outward appearance. His architecture is mostly constructed with concrete. The museum stretches 700 meters along a mountain top. Ando said that he wanted to create a garden museum in the sky, a dreamlike museum like no other. There is Alexander Lieberman's archway that welcomes visitors to the main gallery. Museum San is composed of a sculpture garden, flower garden, water garden, main building, paper gallery, Cheong-jo Gallery, meditation hall, stone garden, and the James Turrell exhibition hall. The paper gallery specializes in collecting and preserving diverse arts, crafts, and books made of paper. The Cheong-jo Gallery focuses on 20th century Korean modern art. The Triangle Court is a so-called space of void. There are some print shops, cafes, and a museum shop as well. James Turrell is known as an artist who paints with light. There are 5 permanent exhibits of his in a separate building. They are wedgework, which uses projected light to give the illusion of walls, Gansfeld, which uses light to eliminate depth perception, sky space, horizon room, and space division involve viewing the sky or a light-filled room through an aperture in the ceiling or wall. I couldn't take pictures or videos of these exhibits. They hand visitors a printout in English and Korean with instructions on how to appreciate Turrell's work. The Namjoon Paek Hall was a nice surprise because I really like this artist and I wasn't expecting to find his work here. He was a Korean-American artist who worked with a variety of media, and he's considered to be the founder of video art. In the meditation hall, you will get to experience relaxation in a dome-shaped space designed in sync with the stone garden next to it. The meditation hall was indeed calming, and it's a nice way to finish the tour of the museum. The experience recalls all facets of the museum, the space itself, the art in and around it, as well as the nature surrounding it. Museum San is without a doubt one of the most interesting museums I've been to in Korea. Wonju is a little bit far from Seoul, but there are many express buses that go to Wonju. From there, you can take a bus to the museum. The favored way, though, is to get there by car. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll take some time to visit Museum San in the future.